There. All right, let's check out the tropics, guys, shall we? We're talking about two separate areas now that we're watching. We're about a month out from the peak of hurricane season. Things are primed out there, and we got one area watching just north of the South American coastline there in the eastern Caribbean. This one has about a 50% chance of developing into our next named storm, which will either be Franklin or Gert in the next 5 days or so. This is forecast to stay in the Caribbean, maybe down the line move into the Gulf of Mexico. Now, this one that's closer to developing, probably Franklin before the weekend is out, is this tropical wave. Already has a preliminary name of 99L, and that's just what we slap on that to kind of track it before it gets a name. 80% chance of developing in the next 5 days. Now, I want to put on here the track. Each line that you see is a different computer model. Now, what's remarkable about this far out is how consistent they all are, pretty much taking it off towards the west. You're not seeing one going to the north, one going to the south, one doing a loop-de-loop out there in the middle of the Atlantic. They're all taking it west, eventually towards the Leeward Islands and over towards Puerto Rico. This far out is probably mid to late next week, so very far out in the future. Still too early to say whether or not it could impact anybody. We'll watch it, though. Certainly going to be something to keep an eye on. But look at this beautiful sunrise here out from our Oyster Point camera out in Newport News. Beautiful sunrise. Out in the peninsula, you're starting to see those clouds break apart a little bit. Farther south and east, clouds a little bit more widespread. I can't think of words sometimes. And bring a few minimal showers to some areas. And that stays with us through the upcoming weekend. A rainy pattern, though, does break out early next week and could stay with us through the majority of next week. There's those showers I was talking about. I mean, really just light in nature as we get a closer look here. Just scooting by the southeastern corner over Back Bay and Virginia Beach. Knott's Island area, northeastern North Carolina. Elizabeth City had a few sprinkles earlier as well. You see the clouds here on the satellite imagery really kind of breaking up over the peninsula and areas off to the west, and that progresses southeastwards through the rest of the morning. And I think the majority of us will see some sunshine today. 73 in Newport News, currently 68 Chesapeake, 68 in Hosky. Out the door in Williamsburg at 72, 71 in Virginia Beach, and 73 in Elizabeth City. Here's how it looks on Futurecast. See those clouds breaking up nicely. Temperatures respond into the 80s as early as late morning. By the afternoon, I think we pop into the upper 80s to near 90. We reintroduce the shower risk as we get towards later this evening as a cold front gets closer from the west. That moves south of the area tomorrow, stalls out over the Carolinas, far enough away from us that I think we see the influence of some clearing skies in here throughout the weekend. So shower risk minimal. If it was to stall out farther to the north, we'd have to adjust that. But right now it stays to the south. 89 in Smithfield today, 88 Norfolk, 87 in Chesapeake up through the peninsula, maybe low 90s in Williamsburg, 83 Matthews to Cape Charles, 85 in Melfa and northeastern North Carolina, mid to upper 80s inland, close to the coastline, Outer Banks, lower 80s for you. Tonight, we're dropping down to around 85 for your first Friday. Partly sunny skies, that chance of an isolated shower there. 5 p.m. to 8:30 is when that's going on. And there's your weekend outlook. Tomorrow, 20% chance of a shower, even lower risk on Sunday. Temperatures in the 80s both days. And then the week after the weekend, I should say, mid-80s with rain likely in here by Monday. It's good news. We need the rain. We've been abnormally dry here for the past couple of weeks. All right, let's get to Ashley.